Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we got a little something different for you guys. We got a different store. We got Tractor Supply, the weekly ad. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool deals, tool reviews. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got the Tractor Supply March 13 through March 17, Spring Powerhouse. So I guess they're putting out of the spring equipment out there for you guys, sales and stuff. So here we got $92 a month, 36 payments, totaling $3,304, 3.9 APR. I guess you end up paying $200 more for financing if you get this on. Says new 2019 Club Cadet, and I can't click on it. But yeah, see if I can. Yeah, there we go. We got the 54-inch Ultima ZT1 Club Cadet, 0-turn mower, 24 HPT cooler, V-twin engine, 11-gauge fabricated steel deck. 3-year unlimited warranty, lifetime warranty, frame, fabrication deck. Alright. So that is the Club Cadet. And then we got the Magnum Zero here, the 54-inch Bad Boy MZ, $3,499. If you have a big yard, if you're going to be doing this all the time, or if you're a landscaper, I would recommend something like this, the Zero Turn. Because if you get a normal tractor, it's going to give you a harder turn. You always have to, because you get these two levers here. You can use it like a tank. And every time you're turning, you can just turn in the same spot where you're at. And with the tractor, no, you have to do a big old turn, pretty much. So if you guys are on the shopping for something like that, those are the ones to go for. I'm just going to go over the tools, the lawnmowers, and power equipment. I'm not going to go over the grills, but you guys are welcome to see the ad at tractorsupply.com. On this one, we got $199, 21-inch 550EX Husky, 3-in-1. What is this? Push mower. And then this one, we got the 269 Simpson 3000 PSI gas pressure washer. And then we got the RT65 dual direction rear time tiller, or tiller, for $899.99. Then we got 10% off Groundworks spreaders. This one we got the Club Cadet wheeled string trimmer. These are rare. They're hard to come up on. Well, every time I go to the store, I hardly see these. I think the last time I saw one of these was like a year ago that I went to Tractor Supply, I think. So yeah, that's probably where I saw it. $349 Club Cadet. Yeah, those are way different. And we got the Club Cadet 3-in-1 forward push mower. We got the 1,400-pound capacity Groundworks heavy-duty garden cart for $119. And then we got some batteries here. It says travel lawn garden batteries, $34 all the way to $49.99. All right, next, or let me see. And if you guys want to sign up for their credit card, you get 36 months with financing, $15.99 and up. Valid through 2/27 to 12/31/19. So they do offer. Somebody's cutting the yard next door. Hopefully you guys can't hear that. You got $57 a month, 36 payments totaling $2,025, $399 APR. See below for details. This is the cash price, I believe. $18.99, 46-inch Club Cadet XT1 lawn tractor, 22 horsepower. And this is the dump cart in the back. 179.99, 17-inch cubic feet, groundwork dump cart, 1,200-pound hauling capacity, removable tailgate. Let's see what else we got here. We got some cultivate your land with great savings. I guess some of these, I don't know if you could attach them to these little tractors there. Country line fertilizer spreader, 1850 line capacity, hopper, PTO, driven, spin, broadcast. I'm not going to go over all the details. I'm just going to go over the name and the prices because that's just a lot to read. It's hard to read. For this one's $629.99, 6 feet country line landscape rake. This is $12.99, 6 feet country line rotary cutter. And we got the 6 feet country line, which is this one, I believe. Country line rotary tiller, $1849.99. Then we got the 15-gallon Femco spot sprayer for $99.99. You got the 25-gallon Femco Deluxe spot sprayer for $149. $199. You got the 25 Chapin clean tank spray system. And then we got the 329 40-gallon Femco 3PT boom sprayer. And then we got some augers here. $139 for a 6-inch, $159 for a 9-inch, $179 for a 12-inch. It says $599 country fit post hole digger power unit. So I guess this is the unit that they're selling you for $599. Got some mechanical devices here. You can some wiring mesh for fences. We got the let's start up top. Right here we got $8.99, 6 feet by 8 feet wood floor pipe trailer. It has a 1675 pound capacity, 4 feet rear ramp gate. And then on this one we got the 5 by 8 feet wood floor trailer with 13-inch wheels, 1400 pound capacity, $849 for that one. Oops, sorry. And then we have the Ingersoll Rand, $949 for the 80-gallon. And then $649 for the 60-gallon. And then $429 for the 30-gallon. And then we got 3650 running and 4500 watt starting, I guess. Champion generator for $319. We got some safes. I heard that the safes are real nice, real good from Tractor Supply. So you got the Canon 80 gun super wide body safe, $1149.99. Then you got the 10 gun Winchester electric lock safe for $349. We got some traps there for some cages there for the chickens, if you guys have chickens or want to get chickens. And then we got some traps here at the bottom, animal trap. Some more food right there for the dogs and cats and stuff. Alright, let's see here. We got the 20% off in aluminum truck boxes. And then we got this one, 5.5 feet by 10 feet wood floor utility trailer, 2,040 pound capacity, DO2 approved, wiring for $1199.99. We got some cages. I might need to get some cages like this for my dogs. 5 feet by 10 feet, 6 feet, I guess 6 feet tall. Retriever large kennel, $349. That's a big kennel. And then we got a safe here, $6.99, 40 gun cannon fire safe, 59 inch by 34 and 24 in depth. Yeah, looks like that's it for this ad. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. We got more videos coming up and more tool reviews. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.